Do you want to say hi? Hi. Okay.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am in a different living area. I am in my parents' kitchen, and as you can see by the title, for today's video, I'm gonna be making cookies. And I'm gonna be doing it according to, you guys have probably seen his videos before, but I think his at is MILKTPAPI. I will have it, I'll have it right here. I'm gonna credit him. I'm also gonna link the video that I saw. I'm gonna try to link that. And I'm gonna try to link everything I can of his because I like his videos. And so I saw this video, and like, it's not just, I don't know, his voice is really soothing. I like his voice, and it's like, it sounds, I don't know, I like his videos, like they're really nice. And I don't know, it made the cookies look and sound so good. So I was like, wow, I have to make these. And I have everything I need. I went and got stuff that I needed a while back, and I can't find what I need. So it's just the chocolate chunks. I had bought chocolate bars, and I was gonna cut them up myself, but can't find them. These will do. And I have everything I need right in front of me, so yeah. Also, a thing with his videos, he doesn't give exact measurements, so I'm gonna try to follow everything according to the way he shows and see how the cookies turn out. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I have. Okay, so these are all of my ingredients. I thought I needed salt, but I don't need salt. So I have sugar, baking powder, flour, an egg, brown sugar, baking soda, I already said that, butter, and all of my bowls that I might need. I think that's it. I don't have the vanilla extract, but that's okay, we'll just work without it. I had chocolate bars to make chocolate chunks like in his video, but I cannot find them. But I do have these, so I'll be using M&Ms for this video. So let's hope it all turns out well.
Anywho, in a bowl, we're gonna get ourselves some flour. A pinch of baking powder and baking soda. Add in some brown and white sugar. Our wet ingredients, okay? Throw in just a little bit of butter, melt it just a bit. Throw a chicken egg in there and add some vanilla extract and mix it until you get something that resembles peanut butter. Combine the two bowls that we just made, and boom, that's our cookie dough. Now we're gonna throw in some chocolate chunks. You can use chocolate chips too, but they kind of creep me out because they're a little bit too perfect. We're gonna take our cookie dough and roll it into a golf ball size and transfer onto a baking tray. And we're gonna bake these at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes.
I need help. I need help. Okay, so his video said 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. So these are it. And oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Elizabeth, help. Elizabeth, help. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. We're gonna fire. I'm gonna have to bake them somewhere else. I'm in the oven and I'm kind of upset because of how they're turning out. I want to know what I did wrong. I don't know what I did. He's here ready to go in, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the second batch and they're a little bit browner than the first batch. So hey guys, so those were my cookies as how I showed you. This is what they look like. I don't think this is how they were supposed to be, but then again, chocolate chip cookies do look different. These are M&M cookies. And Maya, do you want to test try one with me? Well, good, but I know I made them wrong.
I'll taste them.
Hi, Biba. Okay.
Hot.
Ready?
Yep.
They don't taste bad, but
They're kind of wacky.
oh shoot, they taste wacky. Want to try one? Too doughy for sure.
A little too doughy.
Yeah. And I should have made them a little smaller, and I probably should have pre-flattened them because they look really
Chunky.
yeah. So what do you rate it 1 to 10, man?
A million.
No, how good are they? 1 to 10.
So fun. 10.
They taste a lot better when you bite into the M&M. So I should have added more. But they're good. So
Yep.
I have what I need. That's good. Thank you. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Just let me know if there's anything else that you want to watch or see. Anything really. And like I said, I'll be leaving one of his links down below so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. I tried covering the camera and I went up here and my camera's down here.